Good morning. Thank you for joining me for the weather with Billy Rose on Billy Rose WX on Facebook and YouTube and your morning coffee. Really quick, guys, this is a look at your current radar. Most of the rain and severe weather is up here actually in South Dakota. We do have severe thunderstorm warning with up to 70-mile-an-hour winds, and we do have some rain showers up and around Idaho and Montana. Most of your severe weather the next couple of days are going to be up in this area, and I'll show you that here in a second. But right now, guys, currently we got scattered clouds, temperature at 75, feels like 77, wind speeds at 2 miles an hour, and the humidity is at 91%. I'm going to make this as painless as possible, guys. It's going to be hot for the next probably 12 days, so we'll take a look at that. But that is your current weather here in Chester, and this is your current radar. As far as the next 24 hours, guys, the severe weather is up here, and you can see this low. They're up in the 990s the next couple of days. You can see where it's moving through. This is going to bring your slight weather, severe weather up here and around, I would say, North Dakota going into Minnesota. So watch out in this area, and we'll get to that on the SPC outlook. But as far as that, guys, that is your precipitation for the next 24 hours. Your cloud cover, we'll have a little bit of clouds today, but mostly sunny. And then it's going to clear out, and tomorrow it is going to be clear and hot, hotter than it is today. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the temperatures real quick. For today, we're going to have a high of 94 up around Prairie du Rocher and St. Genevieve, Chester 92. And Evansville and Redbud also 92, and up here in the northeastern part of Randall County, it looks like 93, Sparta 91, Steelville 92. For today, your real field temperature is going to be 104, 105 as far as your heat index, and 102 and 103 around rest of Randolph County, with Chester being 102 today. Your lows for today are going to be 75 in Chester. It looks like 73 and 74 for the rest of Randolph County. And tomorrow, this is your temperatures, highs. Looks like 97 up and around St. Genevieve and Prairie du Rocher. It looks like 96 for the rest of Randolph County, except for Sparta and Steelville, be around 94. Again, your heat index 104 and 105 around St. Genevieve for tomorrow. Redbud 102, Marissa and New Athens will be around 104, Baldwin 103, Chester is 104. So that's going to be your real field temperatures for tomorrow. Your tomorrow's lows will be St. Genevieve 74, Prairie Rocher 76, Chester 75. It looks like around the mid 70s pretty much for the rest of Randolph County. Your outlook for today, again, like I said, we looked at the map earlier. We got those low at the 990 millibars. This is going to bring your severe weather up here to include tornadoes up and around North Dakota going into Minnesota. But anywhere in this yellow will be your slight risk area. Anything in this darker green, going all the way to Nebraska, cutting through into Wisconsin, you guys will be in that 1 out of 5 marginal risk. Anything in the light green or the lighter color here, you'll be in general thunders. But this is where your tornado risk, right up here with the hash marks, you can have up to an EF2 if one develops. Anything that's green, you'll be at 2%. The brown, you're in 5% as far as tornado risk. We do have a wind risk of 75 plus miles an hour in this hash mark area, but this is your wind risk. Same area as your slight risk. So we'll get to your hail. Your hail is going to be, again, a Sig 1 in this hash mark. You can have up to 2-inch hail, and this is your 15% hail risk, and anything in this brown would be your 5%. For tomorrow, you'll have a marginal risk from Denver all the way up into probably the northern part of Michigan and going through all of Wisconsin. But this is be your marginal risk, and up and around New York, you guys got a marginal risk up there. Your tornado risk going to be the northern part of Wisconsin and the New York area. Same thing with your wind, going from Denver all the way up to northern part of Michigan and around New York, the state of New York. The only Sig 1 for tomorrow looks like is your hail risk in around the Denver area into Nebraska, but your 5%, I believe it's hail risk is right through here and up in New York. So that is your weather for today and tomorrow. You guys have a good rest of your day, and stay cool. If you're going to do any yard work, guys, make sure that you take some frequent breaks because you don't want to pass out and go into a heat exhaustion. Have a good day.